Okay, so I hope you understand how to find the domain of the given square root function. We only concerned about what's inside the square root sign, and the value of the expression inside the square root sign must be greater than or equal to 0. So this time, let's try to find the graph of the square root of x plus 2. Remember that the parent function of the square root is y is equal to the square root of x. And this is the parent function. Okay? Recall that when you have the vertical translation, you have y is equal to the absolute value of x plus k. The value of k here shifted up and down. Up when the value of k is positive, and down when the value of k is negative. In this case, our k is equal to positive 2, which means the graph of y equals the square root of x plus 2 is the same as the parent function y is equal to the square root of x. However, the graph of y equals the square root of x plus 2 shifted 2 units up. So from here, you count 1, 2. That's why this is the graph of the function y is equal to the square root of x plus 2. Okay, so when you if you're asked find the graph of y is equal to the square root of x minus 1, so from here shifted 1 unit, so that will be like this one. Okay, k shifted up and down. For number 4, let's do the graphing for horizontal translation. So for horizontal translation, it's the same as y is equal to the square root of x plus h. When h is positive, which means translated to the left. When h is negative, translated to the right. So the graph of the square root of x plus 3, our h there is equal to 3. It's positive, so meaning it translated to the left. So when we have there, this is the parent function, y is equal to the square root of x. So our h there is positive 3, shifted 3 units to the left. Okay, so if you describe that, the graph of y equals the square root of x plus 3 is the same as the parent function y is equal to the square root of x. However, the graph of y equals the square root of x plus 3 translated 3 units to the left. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. That's why it translated 3 units. Okay, now I want you to try the remaining 2 practice exercises, and after that, answer the classwork posted in your Math Excel 10.5 graphing radical function.